Okay, and what's the tattoo on your cheek? The one with the jewel tone? Oh, so murder spelled backwards.
Yes.
I mean, I have nothing against tattoos, but if you're going to get a tattoo, make sure it's not while you're intoxicated.
Yeah.
All right. And who is the prosecutor in this case?
I am. Excuse me, I don't understand.
How far did you go in school?
Ninth grade.
Okay. I think she may need an evaluation.
Yes, sure.
So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases? Do not, when you get out, go running to be with your children, because at this point in stage, you haven't been a mother to them.
Oh man, this one's hard to sit through. We're watching someone with the maturity of a child and zero concern for right or wrong. She can't even keep herself together long enough to show up as a responsible parent. So the judge ends up speaking to her like she's in kindergarten. It's genuinely uncomfortable to watch. Accountability clearly isn't in her vocabulary, and every sentence she speaks just confirms it. The tension in the courtroom is thick, the judge's patience is fading fast, and the excuses never stop. It's more than embarrassing. It's heartbreaking, because her kids deserve so much better than this non-stop cycle of dysfunction. How do you help someone who refuses to admit there's even a problem? Let's get into it.
Offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle, that's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, state is recommending deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration county court cause number 687-991, 696-305, grand jury number 777-818. There's restitution, if any, to Ralph Sanchez and no contact with Ralph Sanchez. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, CATS 1 and 2, and moral recognition therapy. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense as charged in the information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
State, any evidence?
Yes, state offer states exhibit 1 and attachment. No objection.
Are you proceeding to sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I just asked that the court follow the agreement. This argument does, I think, want to do probation, so I think it's a great opportunity for her to maybe get some things together. And that's it.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do have 2 baby girls, a 4-year-old and a 3-year-old,
Where are they?
with their father.
Why are they not with you?
Because 2 years ago, I had a fallout with drugs. So he decided to go ahead and take baby girls. I wasn't in my right mind. I was actually going through mental health problems, delusions as well. But everything is well now with me and my daughters and with the father.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
About 2 months ago,
Doing what?
I was cabinetry, a nation's cabinetry.
How far did you go in school?
Up to 10th grade.
Why didn't you graduate?
I had moved to where is it, Detroit, Michigan.
And what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I'm not sure. I really do want to get my GED though.
Okay. And what drugs have you been using in the past?
In the past, I did meth for 2 weeks. I had got involved with it for the full 2 weeks for the fact that I was on, and when I tried it for the first time, I didn't know how to stop from it because I was awake. I was awake and I was up for all those days, and I stayed up for 2 weeks straight. And I was scared to get back on. I honestly, I was scared. I was losing my mother and everything just by thinking she was talking to me and things like that. And
Okay. And what's the tattoo on your cheek? The one with the jewel tone?
right here,
Yes. What is that tattoo?
oh, it's right now. I was very drunk when I got it. I tried to take it off.
What does it
and
say?
It's not right now.
Oh, so murder spelled backwards.
Yes, but I'm not, I can't even kill a roach without wanting to throw up.
Okay, so, and what is up with this gun that's tattooed on your neck?
Yeah, that was, okay, I was drunk, but I got this, and one, oh, this one right here. Like, you can't even tell what it is.
This might be one of the most unhinged defendants I've seen in a while. Her drug history is alarming on its own, but here she is back in court acting like it's no big deal. Just another stop in her routine. How do you have 2 kids and still live like a living warning label? She talks about her drug use like it's a funny anecdote instead of a serious crime. The tattoos, the laughing, the complete lack of remorse, it all feels like performance built entirely on bad decisions. She's been surrounded by chaos for so long that she genuinely thinks this is normal. It isn't, and that's what makes it so sad. The judge is literally extending a lifeline, and instead of taking it, she's grinning as she sinks deeper into her own mess.
Okay, so that was done while you were intoxicated?
Yes, this happened about 6 years ago.
Okay. And where is your family?
My family, my mom, she's doing her thing. She works. She's going through a divorce actually right now. My kid's father, he works. He's going to college. He goes to college. Baby girl, she's in school. My oldest, and they're doing fine. They're good.
All right. So here's the thing. They want you to take cats 1 and 2. I'm going to give you conditions that hopefully will help you. So I'm going to give you cats 1 and 2 right now. I'm going to make you take the moral recognition therapy, but here's cats 1 and 2. Don't steal. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. And as a side to the class that I give people, the other thing is don't go to a place unless that person who owns the place or has control of the place invites you. Don't go if a third person invites you. And if you do show up at some place and someone who invited you asks you to leave, leave. If you follow those rules, you will do just fine. And here's another rule as a side note. In my experience, I've discovered that nothing good happens after midnight. You have children, you need to make sure you're home before midnight. If you're home before midnight, usually nothing bad will happen. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The moral recognition therapy, my understanding, that's to tell you to do what's right. It's something that people should have learned in preschool, kindergarten, or at least first grade. So when they give you that moral recognition therapy, I'm sure it's going to talk to you about not taking things that don't belong to you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So this is what we're going to do. It's going to be 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 687991, 696305, Grand Jury number 777818, restitution and no contact with Ralph Sanchez. I'm going to do the UA hotline, and she needs to test at least once a week. I'm going to want sober meetings, 90 meetings in 90 days. We're going to do a TAP evaluation. Whatever the TAP evaluation recommends, we're going to start with intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month. The MRT course, 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes, triple T. Once you complete that, the entirety of the community service hours will be waived. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from me in order to be successful?
Everything, the addresses and everything's on there, right?
I'm sorry, what?
All the addresses to attend.
Oh, they're gonna give it to you. Probation will let you know, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
And this court, communication is key to be successful on probation. I require that people report. Don't turn up missing. You understand?
I
We can
understand.
go off the record. Good luck to you. I mean, I have nothing against tattoos, but if you're going to get a tattoo, make sure it's not while you're intoxicated.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
The fact that the judge is to remind her not to touch things that don't belong to her really says everything. That's a lesson most people learn before they can even read. Not as an adult staring down criminal charges. It's awkward, uncomfortable, and honestly sad. Watching this feels less like a court hearing and more like a child being scolded, except the consequences here could cost her years of her life. The judge offers deferred adjudication, a rare second chance that most people never see. It's basically a clean path forward. Follow the rules, prove you can act right, and walk away without a conviction. But her attitude makes it painfully clear she's not taking it seriously. She's being handed mercy on a silver platter, and she's treating it like an optional suggestion instead of the lifeline it is.